The agenda for the Grid Delivery Summit starts with the people solving the industry's biggest delivery challenges. And now we want to hear from you. The call for papers for Grid Delivery Summit is officially open. Launching at CWIEME Berlin 2027, the Grid Delivery Summit is a brand new conference focused on one thing: turning grid ambition into delivery. We are inviting utilities, TSOs, DSOs, OEMs, EPCs, manufacturers, suppliers, technology providers, and industry experts to share the projects, ideas, and practical solutions that will help accelerate grid expansion. From tackling transformer and the equipment lead times, improving asset reliability, and deploying smarter technologies, we want to hear what's working, what needs to change, and what the industry has to learn. This is your opportunity to share your expertise, showcase real-world solutions, and put your ideas in front of the organizations shaping and delivering the future grid. Submissions close on the 16th of October, so make sure your ideas are on the agenda. Submit your paper for the Grid Delivery Summit today.